This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD form factor and interface so it will fit and boot. Once done, make a complete disk image or file-level backup to an external drive so you can restore OS and data. Next, assemble tools: screwdriver, SATA cable or USB to SATA adapter, and anti-static strap to avoid damage. While you prepare, note current partition sizes and boot mode, UEFI versus legacy. This saves time and prevents surprises during cloning and installation. You now choose cloning for speed or a clean install for hygiene. Cloning preserves programs and settings, while clean install removes accumulated cruft. If cloning, boot from a cloning USB and select source HDD and target SSD, confirm size mapping, and start. Monitor progress. If installing fresh, boot installer, delete old partitions and install to the SSD, then reinstall drivers and updates. Make sure to align partitions to 1 MB and expand volumes, so the SSD you finish by powering down, swapping drives, and securing the SSD in the bay or M2 slot. Then enter BIOS or UEFI and set the SSD as the first boot device. Once booted, verify partitions, enable trim, and run disk checks to ensure file system integrity. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Recheck boot order, confirm SATA mode is ASI, and reconnect the original HDD as a secondary drive to recover files or reclone. That single troubleshooting step resolves most boot issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.